they don't listen. And they're getting out of the car and running around. We're waiting at Home Depot.
Lock the doors.
At Home Depot.
Mom,
They're
lock all
running
the doors.
around in a parking
Sam,
lot.
lock that door.
Lock the door. Mom, lock all the doors. Lock the doors.
You don't run around in a parking lot.
Can you make me feel like I'm the only penis in the world?
There should be a key. You should know how to fucking do it.
Mother.
I don't think it's funny.
I think it is.
Ross, get in the car now or you're in
Oh, we
trouble.
locked the doors.
Get in the car or you're in trouble.
No, John's not in the car.
John, put it down! Ross, get in the car. Oh, unlock the door for him now.
It's really not.
It's not funny, guys. This is how not to behave in public. This is when ADHD gets unmedicated. He doesn't know how to control himself. Stay in the car, Ross.
No, John's not in the car.
Stay in the car, Ross.
Hey, Ross. Ross, do you want to be that pathetic when you grow up?
Oh, sweet.
John, what if you were riding?
I'm just
No,
laughing
what if
at
you were riding and you bumped into a person and you ran them over?
Where's my phone?
Sam, I don't know where your phone
You're killing me.
John! Give me
John, how'd you get it working?
Oh, shit.
How'd you get it working? How'd you get it working?
What if someone left that out in the rain? It didn't work.
Oh my God.
Gross.
John is going around.
You stay in the car. You stay in the car.
Wait. Hold on a sec. Can I lean on the door?
No.
This is what John does.
Guess what, John? You're in humongous trouble right now. The longer you stay on it, the more trouble you're in.
Shit.
back here.
No children in a basket.
Ross, get him back.
You know, so funny.